How has the Irish diaspora contributed to global diversity? If you're curious about how the Irish diaspora has made its mark on the world, you're in for a fascinating story. Let's explore how this vast and vibrant community has contributed to global diversity. First off, the Irish diaspora is enormous, with over 70 million people around the world who are either Irish-born or of Irish descent. This massive global presence has had a significant impact on various aspects of culture, economy, and society. One of the key ways the Irish diaspora has contributed is through cultural exchange. Irish music, arts, and culture have been shared and celebrated in many countries. For instance, traditional Irish music has influenced music scenes in the United States, Canada, and Australia. Irish literature, too, has had a global impact, with authors like James Joyce and Oscar Wilde being studied and admired worldwide. The Irish diaspora has also played a crucial role in shaping the economies of their host countries. Many Irish emigrants have become successful entrepreneurs, contributing to the business environments in countries like the United States, the UK, and Australia. Programs like the Back for Business initiative, launched by the Irish government, help returning emigrants set up businesses in Ireland, bringing back valuable skills and experience gained abroad. In addition to economic contributions, the Irish diaspora has been instrumental in promoting education and philanthropy. Organizations like the Ireland Funds have raised over $550 million for various causes, including education, peace, culture, and charity in Ireland. This philanthropic work has not only benefited Ireland, but also the communities where Irish emigrants reside. The Irish diaspora has also been a driving force in international relations and politics. During the Irish independence movement between 1919 and 1921, the diaspora, particularly in the United States, provided significant financial and political support. Leaders like Eamon de Valera traveled extensively, engaging with the Irish-American community and drawing connections between Irish and American cultures to garner support for the Irish cause. Furthermore, the Irish government has actively engaged with its diaspora through various initiatives. The Global Ireland's Diaspora Strategy 2020-2025 aims to support and engage with diaspora communities worldwide. This strategy includes efforts to ensure the most vulnerable overseas communities are supported, to promote opportunities for the next generation to work and study in Ireland, and to address barriers facing returning emigrants. The emotional and psychological connections between the diaspora and Ireland are also noteworthy. Despite being geographically distant, many members of the Irish diaspora maintain a strong sense of identity and connection to their homeland. This is reflected in the Irish Constitution, which cherishes the special affinity with people of Irish ancestry living abroad. In summary, the Irish diaspora has enriched global diversity through cultural exchange, economic contributions, educational and philanthropic efforts, and significant political and emotional connections. Their stories of resilience, hope, and success continue to inspire and impact communities around the world.